Hey, what's really good, guys? Welcome back. Enthusiast back. Get that I mean. I have this 2008 Honda Odyssey. What is this? 3.5. Uh-oh, looks like there's a mouse living around here. But that's not the point, though. The point is I'm going to show you how to replace the alternator. This guy right here. Alright. So let's get it. Don't forget to subscribe. Alright. Hit the bell. So every time I upload something new, you're gonna be the first one to know. Hit the like button. Share this video and the feedback. Put in the comment box. Anything you need to say, put in the comment box. Alright. Let's get it. So first, grab your clip remover, something like this. Alright. Pop this, 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 and this. Alright, once you remove those clips, remove this. Proceed to remove this cover, like so. And you're gonna uncover. This is easy though, but the thing is that it's rusty. When it's rusty, it's just a little bit more difficult. Alright. It's up to you if you want to spray some WD-40 right now, so you can get in those rusty corners. Is that a fucking rat? Oh, never mind. Okay. So that's what we're gonna do, alright? Pop. Loose all this. Loose whatever is in here, okay? Okay. You see that? All this. The cap, or you just put it like that, pop. Just leave it there. This one you can just leave it there for now. Okay. This guy, loose it. That's a 10mm. That clamp. All this. Okay. This too. Alright. 10mm. 10mm. All that. Alright. Do that for now. Then we'll see what's next. I'll let you know. Holla at your boy. So what? I'm gonna do the wrench ratcheting 10mm. This one, this one, this guy, this guy. I told you that once. That's a clamp. It's probably on the WD-40. This guy right here. This guy right here. This guy right here too, okay? This guy right here. Alright. Okay, you lose all that. You see? Now you push the clamp back, which is right there. Now pull this. Careful. Might have some coolant come out. Alright. Put these holes around here. Somewhere. Just don't get a spray. This shit. Now you come to the bottom of the car. You're gonna have to remove this plastic. There's a clip over there. Clip over there. Clip over here on the side. Clip over there. Right there. Then on the other side the same thing. Over there. Over there. Once you remove that, there's like the fan is attached to the radiator. The most beautiful thing is that those 10mm, could be 10 or 11, they're rusty, so you're probably gonna have to use a grip plier. Okay, that one over there too. Remove those clamps. There's another one over there. That's for the fan. Okay. That one, that guy right there. Okay. That's a clamp for the hose. That's another one. This two, that one and this one. Okay. Clamps. Alright. So we're gonna remove this cover. All right. So we have a better, so we can reach better. Itty. Okay. Now we're down here. We'll remove the cover. We just left it hanging there by one clip. This is the guy. This is the other guy. That's like I said, 11, 12, 10 millimeter. That guy too. This clamp. There's another one right here. That one. Okay, and that's it. Once you disconnect those, then you can remove the radiator from the top. Oh, there's another one right here. Okay. So you gotta be careful with that shit because that shit is rusty as fuck. Alright, let's get it. See, the other thing is, I'm gonna do this one first. Those. That one. That one. And that one. And then I wanna remove this one. I wanna do this one at the end though, because I don't wanna get a splash while I try to remove this shit. So this one is at the end though. And then, you know, this ones you can plug them with a bolt so it doesn't leak the transmission fluid. That one, and this one. All right, so let's get it. I'm gonna do the fan first. All right, let me give you a tip. If you want to remove those rusty bolts, like this one, use a nut remover. They look like this. This is for the 10 millimeter. Okay, this is the set right here. That's a brand. 13 pieces, impact bolt, and nut remover set. Okay, this shit work. Yep, that's that. Let me give you a rundown. There's one here, right? I lose it with the nut remover. That one. This one, this clamp, I use it with this type of okay, like that. You're gonna come like this, pop, pull it. You see this shit so rusty, it broke. I put a bolt in this hose. That's the transmission line. I did the same with this one. This one is gonna be kind of funny to this hose, kind of funny to remove it from this. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna twist it. So it's gonna, maybe this one's gonna come out first, and then pull it out, and then put it back so you can put the bolt and it's not leaking. Okay. Now I'm about to remove this hose, and the coolant is gonna start draining. All right. So be careful, don't get wet. All right. Put your reservoir, your tank, whatever, underneath so you don't make a mess. And yeah, I'm about to do that. All right. There's one more here, I think. Yeah, you see, I gotta do that one too. So yep, I'm gonna remove this hose, and then that's gonna be the last one. And then the radiator is gonna come out from the top. All right, pretty much. I hope you're liking this video so far. All right. So now everything is loose at the bottom, and you see this, the latch is on the way, so I'm gonna have to remove this. This latch is so fucked up anyway. Oh, there you go. Okay, it works. Now hit these 3 bolts, 10 millimeter, and it should be good. All right, that's pretty much it. Okay, it's ready to come out. There you go. See, just gotta remove this guy. Now, just put this to the side, like that. Wiggle this bastard, and then it's gonna come out, alright? That's all you gotta do. You gotta play with it. Pretty much it. Hey, if I don't come back from this, thank you for watching. I appreciate it. This is how you remove the radiator in this is a 2008 Honda Odyssey 3.5 liter engine. All right, Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell so every time I upload a new content, you're gonna be the first one to know. Like this video, share this video, and the feedback put in the comment box. Alright. I'm gonna pull it out. If I don't show you, then that's it. Because that's pretty much it. That's all you gotta do to remove this bastard. Alright. If you need more space, you gotta remove a nut here and a nut over there, a bolt that'll hold the reservoir. Wiggle it, just wiggle it. Spray some WD-40 at the bottom because since it's all rusty, you know what I'm saying? Just gotta pull it up. Okay. I'm back. Just pull it up. Okay. Have to mind these fucks because they're on the way. Just like a pry bar to move the fan out of the way from at the bottom. Okay. Let's put it over here. There you go. That's for the thumbnail. You're gonna have to like put a string on this latch so it's out of your way. And that's it. Alright, now we're done. See that rectangle hole? That's where the coolant reservoir sits. Okay, that's pretty much it. It's up to you if you want to remove this and pull it back. You're gonna have more space. Okay, this one right here too. That's it. Alright, thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Highlight your boy. Catch me in the next one. See you soon. Stay safe. I'm out. Yeah.